this message finds you all well and good spirits. Today we're going to talk about how much I paid for my 2004 Cobra in 2021. You guys all know how crazy the market is, the used car market especially. Let's talk about, did I overpay for this bad boy right here? I don't know. I think it was worth the price, but ooh, I love the Cobra. And guys, before we get into how much I paid, if I got beat by my buddy Tyler, and why it might have been worth it for this high mileage 04 Cobra, gotta talk about it. 3 weeks left. 3 weeks left, enter to win for the Bronco. Giveaway number 9, spend $1 on Stangmode.com, enter to win this bad boy. Remember, these are hard to come by. You can't get these right now. They're like on the lots that they are over 10K. Super expensive. Go to Stangmode.com. I don't know why I'm out of breath. Spend $1, enter to win. And also, our double giveaway is live. Yes, this is a giveaway, but it doesn't mean you're not gonna have fun with it first. Go to Stangmode.com. Every $1 spent for this gets you entered for that. So far and so forth. This is a horrible intro, but let me get a cold start for you guys. We'll talk about how much I paid, why I paid it, and let's go. It's time. Cold start time on the Cobra. So, as you can see, one of the reasons I love this setup is because I feel it's so pure to what the 03, 04, this is 04, was actually the best of the best in the Cobra, but this is more pure to what would have came from Ford. So I'm more excited about that. But let's let it warm up a little bit, and we'll take a drive, and we'll talk about how much it costs. Now, I love this torch red. Oh, obviously, most likely, I'll get my own personal Cobra after this giveaway is over. But we'll talk about it in the car as we drive it. But one of the things I want to do with this vehicle is keep it as pure as I thought about it. Of course, we take it to Chuck. We'll do a full once over, see what it needs to be pure. But it's a very phenomenal example, true to what Ford built. So my plan with this is, of course, we're gonna do probably a mild drop, maybe a new wheel and tire set. This is a little bit bigger, gonna keep the chrome. Chrome is important. With the red, I think it looks great. And just make it maybe a new brake setup or something. I don't know yet, but I want to keep it as pure and as real to the time period. I hate this. It's crazy to say that 04 Cobra time period, right? 17 years, but this is automotive history that we talk about, and one of my dream cars. So I'm excited. Again, yes, it's a giveaway. Oh yeah, you can win it, but I'm gonna share this journey with you because I love this vehicle so much. Because like I said it before, I'll say it again. Knew it was my first Mustang in high school. Could not afford this when it came out. I was in high school, and I had an opportunity to share it with you. And your opportunity is, if you want to, no one's forcing you. You can grab some merch and be entered to win this car. So, anyways, without further ado, I think I've stalled enough. Let's head in. Let's go for a drive. Let's talk about how much I paid. You tell me how much you paid in comments below. You know, we paid, again, it's 04 Cobra, over 100,000 miles on it. But what intrigued me about it was because it was stock. It was not tuned, not modified, stock pulley, all that stuff. So that's what really intrigued me about this vehicle. It was like, okay, that's really good. But it was also good because Tyler bought it from an older gentleman who literally daily drove it, and that was it. He just took it to garage cabs, took it to work and back, and it had a lot of highway miles, which was good. So that's what, intrigued me to say, okay, this is pretty good. And basically what we paid for this car was $17,000. Now, hold on. I know $17,000 seems like a lot. And, it is for a car that this old, but you got to consider the Cobras, which are perfect examples right now, are going for 30,000 plus. Just Facebook Marketplace, an 03, 04 Cobra, a clean one, and see what they go for. Yes, even just a year ago, you could have got this for maybe 10. No, not 10. You could have got it for like 12, 13. And now we're sitting here And because the shortage is what happened, is why this car was $17,000 was because of the chip shortage. The chip shortage that happened with COVID and all the other stuff that's going on with, you know, parts are just behind. Parts are on back order. So with parts on back order, what we have to do now is realize that the stuff we have is more expensive. Being more expensive, we have to be more patient. Do a little pull here. There we go. Very nice. Yes. Woo! This is good, yo. Ah. Love it, love it, love it. Well, I tell you what, you know, for being stock power, this still has a lot of fun feel, a lot of fun factor. Oh, wow, that was good. T56 in this bad boy. Of course, we have the 4.6 built iron block, manly rod, aluminum heads, you name it. This thing's a bad boy, and we got it. And one of you watching is gonna get this, which is cool. Hey, let's put it this way, right? If you watched this late in the video, right? Please, I really, you know me. No, you don't know me, but you know how I do. If you really want me to turn this up and for the giveaway, let me know. If you want me to just make it as close to perfecting what Ford built stock, let me know. But comment below, enter for the Bronco giveaway and for this giveaway, and we'll leave you with some pulls. All right, peace. Couple highway pulls here so you can enjoy the video a little bit. I mean, I know you like looking at my face, but a little 60 gear pull here. Very nice. Woo! Yes! This is a great car, yo. Woo! Kudos, SVT. Love it. Still got it. Oh, I love this car. Well, guys, like I said, we're gonna do some fun stuff coming up. We're gonna do, of course, we're gonna have Chuck look it over. We're gonna do a dyno. And I don't know, like I said, comment below if you want me to keep this more original to what Ford built. I'm with you. If you want me to turn out like crazy, you gotta know, because I gotta know. So I'll put the poll up on stangmode.com and vote, and we'll make a decision. Just like we do for all of our builds, our personal builds, and our giveaways. So go check it out. Someone's getting this beautiful Cobra. Oh man. All right, stangmode.com. Let's go.